Hello you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Depending when you're watching this video, it may have been a while since I uploaded, but today I just wanted to show you guys not so much a tutorial, but actually showing you guys kind of what it's like when I get on the chart. So as you guys see, it's 10 in the morning, which I was on the charts earlier, but I slept in really good sleep. And I just want to show you guys like what it looks like when I wake up. So I want to show you what like a quick me going on the charts looks like in real time, whether you guys are at work or just found like 10 minutes to go on the chart, and how you can just really scan through. This kind of assumes that your majority structure is done. Today's Wednesday, so you guys will see like my overall early week structure is done. I was on the charts yesterday, but before I went to bed, I don't think I moved a lot of structure. So I do have some structure work to do, whether I do that now or when I come back literally like 30 minutes later. But just showing you guys what I do. So as you guys see, my alerts, literally just got on my computer, my alerts are done. This TP is actually a stop loss. I'm going to show you guys. So GA and UJ. So GA is actually a stop loss, and I rarely show you guys stop losses on YouTube because honestly, it's just like, what's the point? But like, look at the stop loss. It was actually a TP low key. So we had this beautiful accumulation, and it's not funny, but I know it's gonna hit stop loss because smart money doesn't waste time, I tell you guys. So just an accumulation, and then we were in this POI and just struggled maintaining it, but yet we got another accumulation. Selling comics, AR, ST, UT, spring, sun and strength, come back, no trading visual alignment, but we had some type of another accumulation. And price went up and hit take profit. I had a 7.8 stop loss, which was so generous, you guys. I was going to have a 10, and that still wouldn't have been in there. So, you know, sometimes my stop losses under 5 have been pretty tight, not going to lie. I know some people struggle to use 10 pip stop losses. So when I go under 5, it's crazy. But even, you know, close to 10 has been a lot for me. But sometimes you have to allow it for spread as well. So this is a stop loss for me. Still really good setup. We clearly had an accumulation, so I'm just still proud of myself for finding this opportunity. Especially like I had another stop loss, like my past stop losses hit take profit. So sometimes it's just entry, and it's not the skill. Like as long as you master the skill, you're fine. So you don't have to beat yourself up over it. So I'm just going to take this. So because of this situation, I don't plan to really trade this pair anytime soon. So honestly, I'll take it off my watch list. So when pairs, you either hit stop loss or take profit, like really you shouldn't be in a rush to find the next opportunity, because one, it's just probably not going to happen right away anyways, or you're just not going to see it. Like your eyes are already wrong. No point in trying to like fight to prove. Okay, so this yesterday, so I'm going to go down in order now. Oh, we can do UJ first. I usually do my alerts and then go down in order. Your watch list should be in alphabetical order, because if it's not, like, what are you doing? So yeah, I had a POI here. This, I don't honestly know at the time. This is my alert for the POI. Oh no, this was alert for this major sign of weakness. So we did get BC, not really. Okay, wait. Let me go down a time frame. I was looking for a distro. I think we got a miniature one-ish. BC, AR, UT, ST. We don't have a major sign of weakness. Let's try it again. So let's look here. So you see how I'm going to just keep zooming in before I just walk away. So let me try here. So maybe like BC, AR, ST, MSAL, UT, SAL, UTAD. We don't have an entry here. Try to see where that would validate. So don't really see it, but we are clearly getting a clear rejection from some area. So it's not the area I have highlighted, so I have to change, because rejection is where price went with these bodies, right? So I'll even take it to the bodies and not the wicks to prove my point, and try to find it in here. I'm gonna go up a time frame to see if I can make it make sense. It's not really making sense. It's not gonna be up here. 20-minute. Okay, so I don't have a clear rejection point in my opinion. I'm not gonna just like sit there and chase, because it should show up on other time frames. So as much as you guys can check other time frames, it really shouldn't take that long. I actually kind of lost it. What am I looking at? Whoa, I lost it. So we have a little something here. I mean, it's not the most significant unhealthy price action in the world, but we do have a rejection. Okay, so I'm going to structure this out real quick and then find a POI, then walk away. Again, this is like my 5-minute on the screen thing. So that's the high. The lowest low is here. Honestly, I'm going to ignore that manipulation wick. Sometimes it's really distracting with those. It's not really a rule that I teach that often, but I find lately, like, ignore the distraction. So I'm going to ignore this manipulation wick, to be honest, and I'm going to take it structurally. I'm going to take it like this. So we're still in clear down structure now. So the rejection for that distro can tell us we can get into the redistro. It's not straight. Fix that. Okay, so structure in, boom, boom, structure out, break a structure here. I don't really need to mark it, but I'll do it because I'm on a YouTube video. Break a structure, break a structure. Again, it's only because we're low, high, low, like going up and then going out. It's not, you know, a lot of people who haven't taken my course yet, they really struggle with things in their beliefs that are not correct. There's a big difference between break a structure and regular structure and order flow. And it's based off if you have a point of interest or not. Okay, so we're breaking structure. So all I want is a redistro. I just want an opportunity to put my redistro flag. Sorry, I mean alert. If I don't have an opportunity to that, I'm just gonna put a POI maybe on a distro. So you should have a POI on all your pairs, or it shouldn't be on your watch list. You know, I have a lot of students in my elite program that are really close to the next level, you know, taking challenges, and it's just hard for them to get opportunities in real time. And it's like I go on their charts, which is one of the benefits of joining the one-on-one mentorship, the elite package. Like I go, like we're on a Zoom and you're sharing screen, I'm on your chart, so I know what you're doing, right? You're not just watching my videos and hoping you're doing something good. So I'll tell them, like, your chart looks like shit, this is wrong, fix this. And it's what gets them to the next level. Like literally, you need proper mentorship. But most of the times what they do wrong is they just have pairs with nothing happening on them. If there's nothing happening, take it off your screen. So we're in up structure. I was just watching this for the reaccumulation. Looks like we got another mini accumulation. Oddcad, you can go. We're not feeling the vibes. AU is such a warrior, but let's not fall in love in a pair unless it's doing what we want to do. Selling comments AR, ST, UT. Rejection here. I'm going to give you some space as well, which I normally don't. Taking AU off my watch list really happens, but again, it's not about the pair. It's about, it's the opportunity being set up. High, low, high, low. The structure here is confusing. So again, I'm not going to argue. Oh my God, I'm not going to have a watch list. I'll put new pairs on. Okay, so I had this set up for a while. Price created this low, lower high. So we may not reach that point that I have marked up. I'm actually going to look for down structure. I don't have down structure, but because the structure is obviously clean, I'll keep on the watch list. I mean, sorry, I do have down structure. I just don't see where my price is going. We filled here. So I want to redistro, but right now we're in like a consolidation. So we need some news. And this is why when it comes to live trading, it doesn't really make sense to me because I don't know what's going to happen. And half the time I'm just running around like this and I don't like to waste people's time. So we definitely have 3 drives down. Let's say selling climax AR, ST, UT, test, spring. So I'm going to see if we have, I'm going to cheat. And when I say cheat, sometimes I check for the entry or trading range alignments before marking up because, let's go here, selling climax AR. I don't think I have it. I'm gonna look for a lower point of interest. That point of interest is too high. Look at this order block. So that point of interest, let's see if it's even a 50% retracement. You know, there's so many rules that sometimes on my YouTube channel, you guys, I can't really put them all together. That's what my course is for. So you can always, what are the rules? How do I use the schematics? So yeah, this first point of interest is under 50%. It's just still kind of high in the range. It should be the lowest point of interest. So let's go up a time frame and see if this is in a valid place to accumulate. So we were in up structure. We broke that down structure here. We didn't break the down structure here. In order to break the down structure, you have to actually break the structure that's maintaining. So this is the one low. One low technically does not break structure. I know I have all these small rules. It just depends how you read it. So up structure, we have one low. That one low doesn't change the structure until we get two lows. So the likelihood we could be rejection here and continuing price up. When I tried to look at this as a rejection to sell, it didn't hold. So mind you, I'm telling you guys a whole story. We didn't hold this rejection. So to buy, for me, makes sense because y'all didn't wanna reject here. So I don't know if I do have unhealthy price action that definitely got filled over there. So I definitely have a previous point of interest, which is needed, another rule, in order to change price around. Okay, cool. I like this, honestly. I don't know where I would enter. I'm going to put a flag on it. And it's going to quickly mark up. And then I think... So sometimes if I'm doing a quick markup, as long as I find one decent opportunity, and again, this opportunity is not verified, I just at least see the vision, and I can mark up schematic. So once I see one, then I might kind of go away from my computer, which I might do right now. Actually, we only have one pair to browse, so I still have to add more to my watch list because I'm not going to just have an empty watch list. So we'll mark this up, look at NZD/USD, and then I will go eat breakfast and add new pairs to my watch list and just keep recycling, keep looking for opportunities. So I'm going to say find entry. Now, when I say find entry, it means decide if I'm going to enter this trade or not. So I'm not going to put a risk to reward on it, even on here, until I confirm through my confirmation checklist that this is what I want. I don't want to enter there. I already know that. This alert is very close to price action because I need to do this in the next 30 minutes. If this was far enough or something, or even if I just want to do it later, I put it lower. But I want to make this happen pretty soon. So that's what I'm doing there. I'm going to double check my structure. I'm going to mark up more structure after they confirm that this decision is decent. And then we're going to go to NU. An update on UJ. So this one did hit stop loss. It was a 30-second reaccumulation as I pushed through that previous point of interest that I showed you. It was high in the range. If I had a better risk to reward, obviously I would have hit a take profit, but that's what happens on the 30-second time frame. So this one did hit stop loss. However, GU hit take profit. Now, if you're looking at this, you kind of see a stop loss, and I inserted my take profit smash, which was also overnight, because I want to show you guys that make sure you're using your broker numbers, because your entry, your stop loss, your take profit may be different and slightly off on your broker than it is on TradingView, and that can make a big difference if you hit take profit or not. You've been struggling to get 1 to 10 risk to reward just like this? Well, let me tell you why. Are you still trading retail strategies? Are you still trading retail strategies that don't work and you have a 30 pip stop loss and 60 pip take profit and think that a 1 to 2 is going to get you financial freedom? Let me tell you, it's not. You need to be trading Wyckoff, aka exactly like the banks. My name is Savannah Parsons and I teach smart money trading at Smart Money Academy. And if you want to learn how to get consistent 1 to 10 risk to reward, then you need to follow me. You need to watch my videos and understand that you can be trading just like the banks and become financially free. Oh my God, this was beautiful. It was a stop out, but it was beautiful. F my life. Okay. Let me get rid of this. Oopsie. So I ignored this pair since then, right? And then the retracement. So we did beat the high, came up to collect with the manipulation. I definitely think we're going to push price higher because why would we go back low again? And do I have an opportunity to do it? There might be something in here. This looks kind of weird though. It's a little bit too high in the range to push price. Honestly, I'm just going to give it a nice little POI. I'm trying to close that gap. It's not really closing. trying to get this gap a little bit higher. Yeah. So I want to be notified as soon as we reach this area in case it rejects somewhere like this. Let's measure this range. So we don't have any retracement here. So realistically, we might even be coming back down here. It's kind of a far away. I haven't typed in the 3 hour literally in 5 months. And yeah, we still will be coming down here. So we're just gonna point of interest. I mean, this is too high in the range. What's point of interest here for now? Okay guys, so that's the end of today's video. The platinum package is still available. Highly recommend the elite training. Everyone in my elite training right now has passed or is on their way to passing the any funding challenge. You know, it's gonna take time, put in a year. Like the money that you spend on like my course is worth it if you want to get funded. Like, you know, the only difference between me and other traders is that I never quit and I put in the time, work, and effort and the resources to be able to grow and be consistent. So if that's what you're looking for, I highly recommend. And the link to the Smart Money Playbook is in the bio. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.